In this week's episode, come along with me as I continue the Great New South Wales and Queensland Adventure, exploring even more of the incredible Dorrigo National Park. From stunning rainforest walks and towering waterfalls to some unforgettable scenery, today's adventure has plenty in store. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and come with me as we continue this amazing adventure. Let's get into it. Good morning guys. I've got the car running in an attempt to charge a few things, chuck some more charge in my big battery that powers my fridge. I'm gonna make some breakfast and then we're gonna head off. But now that it is daytime, it's actually not raining, so I'm gonna try to get to the place I want to swim at first so I can go for a swim. But now that we can see, gonna go for a wander down here and I'll show you guys this cool little waterfall. Have a look at that. How cute. So it's like a swimming hole in itself, because that's a heavy drop off there. Don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, so this campground has a swimming hole of itself, which is really neat. The other side there is a campground that you can walk to. There's another wooden bridge over there. Yeah, beautiful little campground. And no one's here, so I have it all to myself, which is always nice. And there's another section that you can camp at, just up there. Show you guys that one as well. There we go. You can camp just there. And that's pretty much it, really. It's a small campground. But I like it. It's really neat. I really like it. Good find. So, I'm gonna make a hot chocolate first. I have a couple slices of bread, probably Biscoff. I feel like Biscoff today. And then we will get on the road. Alright guys, I have gotten changed now, so I'm going to brush my teeth, do my hair and skincare, and start packing up. And then we are going to get out of here before any rain sets in. It's like the sun's half out, but not fully out. It's a bit weird. But with any luck, we'll get lucky today. Hopefully. I'm kind of over this rain, to be honest. I was really hoping the rain was gonna be gone by the time I did this trip, but apparently not. Very, very sad about that, but oh well. Beggars can't be choosers. Oh my god. There we go. So, I'm gonna leave probably like half the stuff here and pack what gets packed away in the car. So I'll be coming back anyway. I figure, and no one's here, so not really gonna be worried about anyone pinching it. Okay, so slight change of plans. I'm only going to put the bedding in the car because I realized I still need to charge my big battery. So, got the solar panel. This is a 110 watt solar panel from Kick-Ass, and we now have that charging the big battery that I got from Adventure Kings. So, we're going to leave just about everything here, really, because I'm coming back anyway, and no one's here, so I don't think anyone's going to pinch anything, even if someone does come by. So yeah, I'm going to move the firewood away from my car and pack up the electronics and bedding that's in the rooftop tent and get going. Okay, so there was a rock blockade up. I had a little heart attack. I walked down the road and it's just a couple arborists chopping some trees down, so they've let me through. Okay guys, we've made it to the trailhead. This is what my car currently looks like. She's a bit muddy. Yeah. Anyway, I just realized I need to grab my extra batteries for my camera because I'm probably gonna run out. Anyway, we are at Dangar Falls. So I'm gonna walk to the lookout and we're gonna see what epic view we can get. Okay guys, we are starting the walk down. It is rainy. It's very rainy. I don't know if I'm gonna go for a swim or not. I'm really due for a swim. But we'll kind of decide when. I'll decide when I get down there because I'm gonna be doing another hike after this anyway. So even if I do get cold and wet, I'll warm up in the car to the next trail and while I'm hiking. So, thinking I might do it. Huh. That's weird. Weird. Oh, I can see the waterfall. Wow.
you got me now. Why don't you say you love me? Come on, say you love me. Come on, say me, honey. I'm 1,000 miles away, but you can't say you love me. Come on, say you love me. Come on, say you love me. Why don't you say you love me? Way before it got to this, oh baby, you had it bad on my list, and baby, you got me now. Oh baby, you got me now. Why don't you say you love me? Come on, say you love me. Come on, say me, honey. I'm 1,000 miles away, but you can't say you love me. Come on, say you love me. Come on, say you love me.
Oh my god, guys, this is such an amazing spot. Like, oh my god. And it's so close to trailhead, perfect for a summer's day. It is a bit chilly. It's currently 14 degrees. It's pretty chilly. I've got goosebumps. I'm shivering. So worth it. So now I'm gonna get changed, gonna get a bit warmed up. While I have reception, I'm gonna see if I can get a hold of some people at home. And then we'll head to the second hike. I'm so excited. This area is just wow. Wow. Blue Mountains level, easily. All right, guys, it is about 1:15 p.m. I have made some calls home, and now it is time to say goodbye to this beautiful place and get back up to the car park up there. So we're gonna start the walk back up, and I'll see you guys at the car. Well, looking at that, camp might be a bit wet, but that's okay. My feet are very, very cold, but it's okay, because that swim was so worth it. It's so gorgeous. It has started to rain again now, so I'm very glad I got that swim in when I did, even though the water was cold, but it was inevitable that it was going to be cold. It's like 14 degrees. So there's the car. Let's get back on the road to the next spot. Alright guys, we have made it to the Dorrigo National Park Information Center, so we're going to have a pop in there because I'm curious. See if this rain will let up just a little bit, and then we will start the hike. Okay, so the easy access to the hike's been closed off because they are renovating, but the lady said to walk up this way. So we're gonna do that, and I'll see you guys when we get to the actual head of the trail. Alright, so we've made it to the temporary trailhead. So here we go. Alrighty, so we've hit the lie bed link. So we are going to go right. So this place is very paved compared to what I usually do. A lot of the stuff I do is like dirt tracks and a bit ruddy nutty, but This one's pretty, so I just wanted to do some easy ones today. Oh wow, that's pretty. Have a look at this, guys. Gorgeous. I know I'm gonna end up taking a bazillion photos, and rather than taking my pack on and off to get my camera out, I'm just gonna hike with it on me. That way I don't have to worry about it. Anyway, we're at this little section now. So the lady at the information center said this way is a bit easier than going that way. So we're gonna go down this way. Massive tree with the vines like we saw at Blackbutt, but like way bigger. Beautiful. Hello, bush turkey. Hello. Hello, Mr. Bush Turkey. I tried to get some photos of those bush turkeys, but they all came out blurry. So, that was a bit sad, but oh well, we just keep walking and enjoying the scenery. There's water flowing up there. Oh! Water flowing on the ground here. First bit of water we've encountered on the trail thus far. This bird is so pretty. This reminds me a lot of Minamora. Yes, Minamora Rainforest in the Southern Highlands. That was really good. It's very, very pretty. A lot more unforgiving than this. This is a lot more forgiving on the knees. Wow. Alright guys, that was Crystal Shower Falls. And now we are on the last leg back up to the car. Alright guys, we have made it to camp finally. It is a little after 5:30 p.m. Everything is soaking wet. It is actively raining, so we're not going to be spending much time outside at all tonight. I think tonight we're just going to make some dinner really quickly. I might even just decide to do a protein shake for dinner because the rain is starting to get heavier. But first things first, we're going to set up camp and then I'll probably just have a protein shake for dinner. Thank goodness I packed those. Alright guys, I am now cozy and quite happily in my tent. I've got my protein shake here. So that will be my dinner for the night. Because it is just, it's not pelting down anymore, but it started pelting down and I was like, I'm not cooking in that. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just going to chill up here, transfer some files, buy SD cards. I've got my book here. Last book of this series, so I'm going to start reading that. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Just going to chill up here, stay nice and dry. As dry as possible in this weather. We are going to do another track tomorrow, but unfortunately this vlog's going to be a bit too long if I include that. So, if you want to see that one, check out the next episode coming out next week. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!